So close.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Why is she going that way then?
The Barbies. Because she's
Where?
confused.
Oh god. Maiden, go get it. It's over there.
She thinks it disappeared again.
Maiden! Over there. Over there. Oh god.
I think she's taking a picture of it.
Oh god. Oh god! Where's it at? Oh shit.
Oh god. Oh, she's got it. She's got it.
Maiden! Maiden!
No. Trapped now.
Birdie!
I think she probably just broke his neck.
Ew, that's not cool. Maiden!
She's my hunting dog.
Get over here. Charles, go look at it.
Oh, alright. Then burst out my shit. I can see him.
Oh god. Oh god. Where's it at? She probably like stomped on it or something.
Get back.
Maiden! Do we have a dead bird over there and we can't find it? Watch, it's like perched somewhere.
Oh,
Oh.
there he is.
Is it dead?
No. No!
Oh! Shit! Shit!